Hey there, science gardeners. Welcome back to Decoding Long COVID, Dexamethasone, and Beyond. I'm Dr. Shikha Agrawal, your guide through this vibrant ecosystem of health and science. After uncovering dexamethasone's hidden cost last time, I'm eager to nurture a critical ally, the gut microbiome. Today's episode is Restoring the Microbiome in Long COVID. As someone who has tended to the molecular roots of Leishmania helicases, I'm fascinated by how we can restore this microbial garden disrupted by long COVID and dexamethasone. Prachi Virat is here, our microbiology green thumb with a passion for bioinformatics, ready to sow some insights. Prachi, we have heard how dexamethasone and long COVID throw the microbiome out of whack. What are the best ways to restore this balance and help patients feel better?
Great question, Dr. Shikha. The microbiome is like a garden that need replanting after a storm. Probiotics like Lactobacillus rhamnosus and Bifidobacterium longum can repopulate beneficial bacteria, boosting anti-inflammatory SCFAS. A 2024 gut microbe study found probiotics improve fatigue in 65% of long COVID patients by enhancing Faecalibacterium levels. Prebiotics like Inulifrum chicory feed these bacteria, increasing SCFA production by 30% per a 2023 nutrient study. Fecal microbiota transplant (FMT) is more experimental but promising. It transfers healthy microbiomes from donor. A 2024 clinical microbiology reviews trial show FMT reducing brain fog in 50% of long COVID cases, though safety concerns like infection remains. These strategies counter dexamethasone's dysbiosis, which cut SCFA producers by 20% as we discussed earlier.
That's like sowing seeds to revive a wilted garden. With your bioinformatics expertise, how can we make these strategies more precise for long COVID patients?
Love the garden vibe, Dr. Shikha. Bioinformatics is like a soil test for microbiomes. Metagenomic sequencing map microbial composition, identifying deficits in key species like Bifidobacterium. A 2024 Nature Communication study used machine learning to predict which patients benefit most from probiotics, though with low cholesterol level saw a 40% symptom improvement with targeted strains. We can also track SCFA production via metabolomics, ensuring prebiotics are working. For FMT, bioinformatics help match donors to recipient based on microbial profiling, reducing risk. This precision ensures we are not just planting seeds randomly, but cultivating a tailored garden to fight long COVID's inflammation.
Prachi, you have turned us into master gardeners today. Let's tend to these insights like nurturing seedlings in fertile soil. You have shown how probiotics, prebiotics, and FMT can replant the microbiome's garden, with that 65% fatigue improvement being a blooming success. Bioinformatics is our gardening guide, ensuring precision. So, Prachi, what's your key takeaway?
That garden metaphors is perfect, Dr. Shikha. Restoring microbiome is like sowing hope for long COVID patients, countering dexamethasone's disruption. Bioinformatics is our travel, digging into data to plant the right seeds. We are cultivators in this healing journey, growing resilience with science.
Well, That concludes today's episode. Thank you, Prachi, for sharing your insights. And dear listeners, I'm grateful for your time and attention. If you like the episode, hit subscribe, share this episode, and join us on social media with our hashtags. Let's keep cultivating long COVID solutions. Stay curious.